Next one is yoga. Yoga is a group of physically, mentally, spiritually, practically discipline for the organized staff in ancient of India. You know very well, whole over world yoga India only given for them. So nowadays every foreigners country should be following for them our tradition. It will be helpful to educate for the lot of energy and boost your stamina. That is very helpful them in health relaxation purpose. Also maintain your healthy diet. Pranayama I will be teach you to you all of you to breathing yoga. For example, how can breathe for breathing yoga? Actually breathing exercise a regulate of your mainly I told this is for the mainly what they're doing. This is for mainly helpful for the regulatory energy. All are thinking the yoga is or exercise, that is not exercise, this is the regulate of the energy they can do for them. Can you cooperate all to members? I will be teach you how can you that type of you can do in your home. Can you sit this like position everybody? Can you sit all members? What can I do? I same like follow. Suppose you are sitting chair, no problem, but I am saying this like if you possible you can sit comfortable. Can you do all of you? I think I cooperate, everybody can do yourself for them little bit. I will teach for something today, so I will be tell to them. If you have any doubt you can ask them, no problem. First I can teach for here, so you can follow the first basic rules and regulation I will tell. First one is left brain is female. Our left brain is there. Actually, our left brain is, for example, opposite direction. Like so you think about our left brain is for the female. Right brain is the male. Left brain is soft and emotional like of thinking. Right brain is practical of their thinking like so. Actually, head should be straight and backbone should be straight. That like you want to keep it for them. So you want to do for that activities. For example, I will teach you how can backbone should be straight for them. You can see here every student this like you keep it your hands this like. Students, can you do this like? Keep it on backside. Both are ear legs. Your ear legs you want to keep for them. You can do that type of activities. Because of you are seeing here, you see I will be show my backside. I think you can see here. This like you want to keep it. How like this like keep for them. Both should be one to straight. So this like you can kept straightly. This like you can do for them with your ear. Because of you should be straight on your chair or whatever you are sitting, or sitting this like position also no problem. So you can do just like that is a that time you can feel something. You can feel I think something. That time you can understand how their stress is. Your feel how your backbone is. That is the correct backbone position for them. So breathing yoga is a control your breath also same time inhaling exhaling and nostril that like work will body 10 to 15 minutes we are doing some but relaxing your mindfulness and bp will be control your physically health and brain functioning for them. Anybody can you tell me, can you do this type do, can you reply me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how you can feel your backbone means you can feel your this is the correct position of your backbone. That time your backbone should be actually I cannot show video for because of you see I think how many members you can see I think that like you want to keep it for them because of now you want to do correctly. That time your backbone you see the picture I will be holding I show it for you. For example, this is a phone is there phone. I think phone is there how their straight leg is there. So that like so same like you are doing that time you can feel something, so that is very helpful. Relaxing your mindfulness and breathing exercise. Next one is pranayama. You can see here. Next one is I will teach this one. You see here how they're sitting this all person. You see anulam or vilams, that is called chin mutra. First I teach for you chin mutra. Can you do all of you chin mutra? Components of two words. For example, chin mutra how can do already I teach for you. I think everybody know Vishnu Mutra. This is a Chin Mutra. You can see me in video. See me my face. This is a Chin Mutra. You can do for them. Another one is Vishnu Mutra. This like two last two one center both remaining two here. Another one is index finger and middle finger towards the palm of the hand. That is called the Vishnu Mutra. You are doing so. Next one is for them Anulam Williams anxiety. This is called to what they're doing. Reduce your anxiety and stress. Reduce very helpful for them. 5 times of normal breathing you can do before you are doing this activities. And Sukhasana means this is a position of Sukhasana. This is a Sukhasana position. Vajrasana also one of the position. I can you see the I will be show the picture later. Chair yoga, but Vajrasana means this leg. Your leg should be keep it this leg. Your both legs should be back side of the to touch with your protects legs. That type of yoga and standing. That is the Vajrasana you are doing for them. 4 is to 16, 18 ratio we can do for them. 6 rounds of nostril should be closed for them. Just breathing for your left side and holding the for them your right side for them. Breathe. That type of you want to do for the active breathing exercise. I think you see the picture, all of you students. If you have any doubts, you can ask me afterwards. 1 minute, I will tell everything. This is a Chin Mutra. You can see how their left side is a Chin Mutra, right side the Vishnu Mutra. How they're doing. You can see that all of you how they're doing. So same like you want to do for them. Okay. So before you can do for them, keep it all thing mind. This is for you are doing before. I tell one thing, success is a mantra or slogan. How, like for example, this is you see all of you. Can you tell me all of you? This can you repeat me? I will be great of aim. You want to need great aim your life. So can you repeat all students? I will be great aim in I want to success. I want to success in my life. I want to great aim. आपको थोड़ा aim चाहिए life में. For example, telescope ला what you are doing see. So aim is very required. Next one, I will be continuously acquired my knowledge because of you want to study it, because update your knowledge daily. Not only today, in future you are going BSc or MSc, whatever PhD, whatever doing also, or any course you are doing also. For example, any field you are working, engineer, lawyer, whatever there. For example, lawyer is the lawyer related movie they see how their argument doing, lawyer related they have update the knowledge because of no in movie also they're following same they also study and make it on movie. For example, they can update the knowledge. For example, reading the books like so update knowledge is very important. You want to survey this world, you want to update the knowledge day by day. Next one is I will be do hard work. I want to do my hard work sincerely. I have do my work. Next one is I will be pursue here success. I will be pursue here. Pursue means you are you see the picture. I will be come and do it. I will do. I will be do it in my. I will be succeed my life. So I will be great aim. I continuously acquired my knowledge. I will be hard work. I will pursue and success. This is the main success of mantra slogan for them. This is Dr. Abdul Kalam saying for them for because of the motivation for the students' lifestyle. Because now this all reference because of then I think I will be the good mental health is not simply absence of the diagnosable mental health problem. Although good health mental health is a help to protect against the development of many such a problem for them. So we'll be see here. I think this position everybody can sit it. So now just for 15 minutes we can do it all members. Can you cooperate for all members? Okay. Can you do it for them? Anybody, any doubt? Can you ask me now? I will be start the section. Any doubts? Anybody, any doubts?
No, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Everybody can do it your home. I think I am expecting for them. All students, can you do for in your home? Because of I want to see here how can you do. Can you please on your video, everybody? I want to see because of this is very important. So I want to see all members. Can you on your videos, please? Okay. Keep it on Vishnu Mutra. Everybody, this likes left side opposite. Suppose you are left hand using, you can kept here. You are suppose your right hand, you can do. I told that like you want to inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold karo. Close your nostril. Close your nostril. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Exhale. Left side exhale करना पड़ेगा. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time I told. repeatedly. You can do before. Now you want to close your eyes, you can do this one. Actually you are 15 time karna padenge every morning before going to bed. You can do daily this practice. Okay, close your left side nose, inhale. How much you want to inhale? I told 4. Okay, holding time you want to close the both time. Hold karne ki time 16. Exhale, left side exhale karne ki time 8. So please close your eyes, every member close your eyes. So we can do left side, close it. Okay, take in, start to inhale. Okay, close your eyes, close your eyes. Do it this like this, like this is a Vishnu Mudra. You see here, I will show here, 2 finger here, 2 here, this like. So do here, I will show the already picture how their Vishnu Mudra doing. 1 2 3 4. Hold karo. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Exhale left side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. One thing, keep it, students, all of you repeat again. Don't open your eyes, please close your eyes. One thing you keep it in mind, you are doing proper inhale only from bottom of your stomachs. Okay, from yeah, पर नीचे से आप लेना पड़ेंगे. That like you want to breathe. चुमा like don't do like. Okay, so you want take from bottom of. Okay, one time you repeat again. Take inhale, close your left side, bottom from your bottom of stomachs. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Hold karo, nostril close. Okay, x 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Exhale left side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, this like one more time repeat. Close your eyes, don't open your mouth. 1 inhale karo. 1 left side you are close it. Do it fast. Only I have 5 minutes teach, remaining you can practice your home. 2 3 4 5. Okay, because of I missed the count, one more time repeat. 1 exhale, inhale karo one more time. 1 do it, do it. Every student do it. Inhale karo. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, hold karo. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Exhale. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Because of now, one thing, listen all of you. Okay, leave it. This like you are doing this like, and keep it your eyes 3 times. One more time, 3 times do it. Your palm should be more heat and kept on your eyes. You can do. Don't forget 4 is to 16 is to 8. Because of your inhale acha karta na, you are taking more inhale properly only. You can hold your 8 times. You can hold 16 times. 16 times no second. For example, I demo showing one more time. If you are holding here, you can take inhale 1 2 3 4. That 4 you are doing time. You take more air. That time only you can hold 16. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 16. So if you not take proper air, you cannot hold 16 counting. So you have respiratory problem. So next one is here, you see exhale time 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 में बंद मत करना पड़ेंगे. 8 up to 8 वरके you want to exhale completely. Air should be want to exhale 8 up to 8. So keep it that mind. Daily you can practice your you want to study concentration your life, you want to your lifestyle, you want to no disease should be not occur, you are physically you want to healthy your lifestyle, your concentration, memory should be want to improve your lifestyle. Do not any health issues should be coming. So energy boosting, this is pranayama. You can do practice your daily for them. Daily you can practice for them 4 is to 16 8. So this type of you want to do. Don't forget chin mutra and vishu mutra. Before you are doing, I told this like practice back side. So that time your backbone should be straight. Your backbone should be straight. So that type of you want to do. Simply this like don't do sit, even don't do like backbone should be straight. That practice only I do here. This should be here. You are with here. You can do this type of practice, so you can do your activities properly. And this regarding any doubt, I think everybody can practice your home daily. So this is benefit for not me, this is benefit for you only. So any doubts, practice, you change your lifestyle and your control yourself. Don't, because of now this is very important for your health also. Okay, see you tomorrow.
You can see here Chin Mudra and Vishnu Mudra is there. So now you can normally you are doing that. I told you you are sitting asana, like you can sit down. Okay, sit down. You are doing this like position. नीचे बैठे. बैठे कोई नहीं प्रॉब्लम है. Actually, this like you want to sit your home. Okay, this is Chin Mudra. This like you can sit. You take 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4. Vishnu Mudra doing this like I will demo for him. Nobody can do. First I am showing here. You can see. Like suppose anybody problem you face 3 fingers, no problem. Okay, you have suppose issues, but future you can try for that. Vishnu Mudra do this like if you can go here. Now I am showing only demo. Okay, close here. You can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Next, I told you, I will show here. Four is to 16 is 8. Don't forget. Okay, so we can show here. See here all of you. So now I am showing everything for them. 4 is to 16, 8. How can do? For example, I show it here. No need. You can listen. 1, 3, 4. Okay, after that I close the book here. Counting. You can close the book. You can take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You want to hold for them. Next one is you are going to close here. Exhale. This one you can close here. This one you are going to close here. Opposite direction you can close for them. Now exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 line. So now you can understand what is your lung capacity. So lung capacity, if you want to improve, small tips, I get some tips. Balloon you can purchase daily or 15 times after that. Balloon को access lungs. You want to expand your lungs. Okay, you can take now COVID-19 time. You know where is your lungs? How much? What is the important role of lungs? So everybody, that's only. Not only this COVID-19 pandemic, this is a very helpful for your anxiety stress reduce. So everybody can do. I think everybody who properly don't. If you have anybody student's space is there, you can remove space and keep it on the table. No problem. If you have space, whatever there, your disturbance items, you can remove for them. Keep it on the table. And mobile phone compulsory switch off. And keep it on the keep in mind. Everybody. This exercise, when I am told up to never open your eyes, I told seriously, nobody can open your eyes. I am doing for this is for doing this time only for 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes we can do, 16 ratio we can do for them. So never open the eyes, please. You cooperate everybody. अगर सांस क्या करेंगे इस तक हाथ दिए, ठीक है? इसके बाद ठीक है? I am teaching only because only you want to listen my words. Don't listen fan sound also. Never think about we are all sitting. on garden like you can think, imagination. Okay, you can think. Okay, everybody sit comfortable first. Your backbone it should be straight. Keep freely. Okay, you take normal breathe yourself. Okay, understand? I think somebody is so tired, so as much as possible I can finish. Okay, you can do for them. Okay, start. Keep it close your nose. Left side. If you are right hand, you are do this leg. According to your right or left, you see. I will be check one time who is doing mistake. Manoj, do. Never. I never compromise this one teacher or student. I want to do compulsory. I can. You can do. If you have face difficulty, get 3 fingers. Okay. Okay, close your eyes. Still some students have never closed their eyes. And teacher also. Oh, close your eyes, please. Everybody close your Okay, still started. Please close your eyes. Keep feeling comfortable. Don't think anything. Everybody can sit in on garden like you can think. Imagination. Don't think about your family issues, whatever there. You can leave it everything. Okay, and keep it again. What I am saying, only listen my words. No other sound also, including fan, light, whatever there. Close your eyes. Everybody close your eyes. Students, close your eyes. Okay, you start here. You keep it on the left side, nose close. Two finger you close on the left side nose. You take, I start the ratio. You can follow all of number. What I am telling. So first you take breathe from the bottom of your stomach. How much you can breathe? Second procedure you can folding. Okay, so we start 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, nostril should be closed, both the thumb and you close your nostril. First one is just like demo like, so close. Next, student कोई भी समझ नहीं आएंगे, you can ask. Okay, close. Okay, you can hold for them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is the concept. So we can do for the first is like a demo. Everybody can do mistakes. In I am starting time, I am also doing. So don't leave it. We start again. Close your eyes. Don't open. I told. Then I am saying only you can open your eyes. Please close your eyes. Now really we started only 15 times we can do. Afterwards you can do your work. Okay. So close your eyes. Kindly cooperate, please all. Close your eyes. 1, 2. Take inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold well. Both of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Exhale from the other side, opposite side. You can exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you do again. Start first numbers from inhale. Take 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Exhale from opposite nose. Exhale goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, I will be repeat. Everybody listen carefully. Some students are never proper doing. So, inhale is you are from left. Your inhale is from the left side. Exhale from the right side. Don't forget. Okay. And holding time you want to close your nose. Close your eyes, please. Don't open your eyes. You can do again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Again, we do repeat. Close your eyes. Please close your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for them. X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, one more thing, repeat. Inhale. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Exhale from right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, one more repeat. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Holding both nose closed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Again, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat again. 1, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 5. Again, repeat for them. Holding for them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Again, we will do for them. Repeat for them. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, repeat for them. Inhale, inhale, everybody inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat again. Inhale. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, inhale for them. Don't divert students, please. Inhale for them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Hold the exhale now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. One more time. Please, one more time. Last. Okay. 1. Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Everybody can listen me. Don't do. You can do. Take your palm. Do this like. Keep your eyes 3 times. Again do. Again do. अच्छा करो. Keep your eyes. 1. You cannot feel comfortable. You can 2 times, 5 times. You can do no problem. Love it and keep your both eyes. Okay, I want to feedback from really who is doing very well. Some students are doing mistake, never open the closed eyes not closing, and both nose are closing. Some mistakes will be happen. That is practice will come first day, no problem. But I am telling for them, anybody really you can feel anything? Can you tell me anybody? Sir, I can feel something, anything.
Little bit relaxed, sir.
Huh?
Little bit relaxed.
Okay, any other? Students also can tell. I am not asking teachers. Okay, stress free. Another? Can students do not feel anything? Huh? I got the speak loud. Okay, relax. Any other? GM? I am telling about one thing. I am telling who all are not saying answer. For example, I am not saying everybody knows saying. Suppose you have really practiced from Atma, you can do practice only. You can feel that feelings. Otherwise, you never feel that. Because of this is your mind and soul relationship. From your Atma, you want to do for this. You can already go four sloka. If any work you can do for from your Atma, you want to do only you can do for any works. So that like you want to do for them. I think you can practice everybody daily morning. Not more time. I think you have faced so many issues are there. But at least 10 to 15 minutes you practice for them. 15 times you can practice your home. You are morning, you are feeling comfortable, you can do. Otherwise, before going to bed, you can do this position. Okay, Vajrasana position you can sit and you can do false also. Okay, before going to sleep, you can do for them. You can feel one thing. For example, I am told, Teresa told I don't do. For example, one thing you can do. After one week, you can change yourself. Okay, and same time, don't forget the sports logo also. So repeatedly keep in your note or diary in your home wherever. So you can repeatedly see again. For example, one athletic, you know very well athletic. If you really think their last line, what they are thinking their mind. I am going to success. Okay, so that line of keep in your mind. So when you athletic that line you see when they are crossing ending section. So okay, that line you also imagination you can do like that type of activities. I hope you all of you enjoy this class. Anybody can feeling discomfort. I think this is due to environment, but I don't know. This is the way I can do. But it's okay. I think you all are be happy.
Happy, sir, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you do for not my purpose, your purpose, your health purpose? You can practice your home this life. So your future you can avoid for any health issues later. Okay. So thank you all of you very much.